Welcome everybody to Hands-On. Today we are going to be working in regard to this Arduino Nano in conjunction with an infrared that we are going to work with the infrared control. So we're going to make the wire, the program in Arduino, and let's see how it goes. So here's going to be the diagram. This is what we are going to do right now. This is the infrared sensor, or actually it's going to be the receiver of the infrared. So basically you're going to have one connection to the ground, one connection that goes to the digital number 3, and another one which is going to be the 5 volts connection to get some voltage there. So basically we are going to get the Arduino here, and we're going to go straight forward to the code. So the idea is the following. So this is a fast track of this coding. Basically what I'm doing right now is just using the receiver in the pin number 3. I just decode the results, and then I just in this setup I just enable the receiver. I decode it, and whenever there is a result that we decoded, we are just going to print it out. So that's everything that's going on here. I already have some wire here for this guy. Just provided a USB connection, and we are going to write this guy. We're going to verify first that the compile is alright. We're going to push the compile. Looks like everything was alright. So then we're going to see the serial port. And let's see, I'm going to grab this control here. So we can see that I'm starting to provide some values. So it's pretty interesting. This is going up, down, left, right. Sometimes when this fails, looks like it drops to the FFF and so on. But so far so good. It looks like it is working pretty much alright. 1, 2, 3. You see, when I press it a bit too strong and I try to go out, it looks like it does not read properly sometimes. But it works pretty much right, and I think that we're going to be able to grab from all of this into the loop some information to manipulate some sort of robot there, and verify that this information, whenever we are going to be present to the left, to the right, to the top, or to the bottom, then this robot is going to be going to the front of the robot, or whatever we are going to be needing for this controller. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the day of today with this sensor on the Arduino Nano. I tried it out just to see how it goes, and so far so good. It was super simple, super straightforward. I just worked it out for maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes as much. I'm going to provide some code in GitHub. We're going to provide also some examples there in the code for Node.js and also for Arduino IDE. Also, I'm going to provide a link for the library that I use for the IR in the Arduino IDE. It was super handy for me. It helps me a lot because I basically it is pretty much like writing just fine line of codes, and everything goes up and running. So now that we know more or less how this is working, how this is going to be handling this information, we know that we're going to get some hexa information, and this hexa information we can even translate it to even any kind of number, and then we can actually make a boundary on which are the numbers that we're going to be expecting to work with a certain signal information that we're going to get, and from there on we are going to be able to work around with our manipulation of any kind of controller that we're going to be looking for with this sensor. So far so good. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Just if you enjoy, just give it a like, give it a subscribe. All the best, and till next time.